Okay, mic check, mic check. All right. Hey guys, it's Trade Monkey here again. I got a couple of updates on this Limit Flow. Today I'm gonna show you how to read the gamma exposure in details, and also added one new thing, which is called volume GEX, which tells you where fresh money is flowing in before you even know it, before the price even moves. Sorry. You'll be one step ahead with the above one step ahead of retailers, and yeah, let me explain it to you. Okay, let's go to the heat map. Okay, so GEX stands for gamma exposure, as you guys know. It measures how much gamma, the rate of change of delta the market makers are holding each strike. So these are all each strike right here. 681, 682, 683, all this money. This is dollar sign. This is all money. Negative is also money too. Um, Here's why it matters. So market makers are always on the other side of your option trade. When you buy a call, they sell it, and then they have to hedge. Hedging means buying or selling the actual stock to stay neutral. The more gamma they are holding at a strike, this is a lot more gamma right here. All these gold, gold, gold. The more aggressive they have to hedge as the price moves towards it. So they act like magnets, okay? If you see one here and it flings prices go up, it's definitely going to move up to the next magnet. All right. So this is all right. Let me tell you, green. This is green zone. This is all green, 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 green. Right? It means they're positive GEX. When price approaches positive GEX, let's say 681, 682, right? Market makers buy shares to hedge, so they create a pinning effect. So price get attack price attract to that level and struggles to break through. So that's why you see a lot of pinning here lately. Um, this is actually for tomorrow. Yeah, you see a lot of pinning. Today you saw a lot of pinning too, because it was all in the green. Then I think then it sold off. I'll get into it. Uh, then you have purple rows. These are negative. Here market sellers they sell shares as price approaches. That amplifies moves. Price doesn't pin. It moves fast. It accelerates. It goes down quick. That's why when you saw a sharp move down from 679 today to like I don't know 673 or 4 something like that. So it was all purple. I think it was today. It was all purple and it moved down very quick. Um, what else? So positive GEG zones are magnet. These are magnets, so it'll always go towards it. Negative zones are fuel. These are fuel, right? So let's say if the price is here, it's gonna go to this, and that's gonna fuel up, move up to that. So negative is like a fuel, like putting gas into a fire. Um, so heat map. This you can see expirations 312, 313 is broken into. SPY is broken into every 2 days. Uh, each column is different expiration, right? As you can see, because this one is zero DTE for SPY. So same day expiration, they move fast. Um, then we have these king nodes. These are stars. These are the important ones. You see one right here, 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 here. They're everywhere throughout the expiration. Um, the single strike with the absolute gamma exposure across all expirations king nodes. Market maker will defend this level the hardest. So price, like it gravitates towards throughout the session. It either come closer to it or it will come, away from it. Which so it's gonna bounce around the magnet. These are magnets. Think of the price going up and down like this. Then we have call wall, we're called open interest stack. So deep it acts like a ceiling. Put wall works the same below. Put wall right here, where put cells are concentrated. Uh, then we also have these. If you don't know what the hell is going on, you have all these information right here. It sums up the whole um, GEX, VEX, DEX, and everything, and it gives you like an idea. Like strong put 675, 680, slide down lean, lower king is 2 times stronger. Buy puts near, you get it, you see it. Now, so the next, let me see. Uh, okay. Yeah, so, positive GEX, like I said, this is all positive GEX, this is negative GEX, so, you know, so yeah, like I said, positive GEX means market's gonna pin, mode is you're gonna expect a lot of chop around this area if it goes up. Negative means trend mode, you're gonna see a lot of swings, like you're gonna see a lot of, so it's mostly a lot of gap down, you can see throughout the whole, and there's a lot of pinning going on above strikes. So I don't think market's gonna go any up anytime soon. Um, the thing we got updated was volume GEX. This is the most important. This is called volume GEX. So here what is where it get interesting. So regular GEX is built from open interest. Contracts accumulate over days or week. It tells you where positioning is. Volume GEX is built from today's volume. So this was all today's volume. It tells you where the money is going right now, right? Uh, so you see, these are see with the bolt. See all these bolt right here. Negative 10.28 million, 18 million, whatever. Next, so these are the king. This is a volume GEX king. The strike absorbing the most gamma weighted option volume that happened today. Think of it as like a heat signature, you know, like someone is buying a lot of these. It's like a fresh position, like today's, right? So you could also see where they're buying up. It goes up really quick, or it goes down really quick. So you can see where the positioning is, which side, and then you could play based on that volume GEX. So let's say this is more money, right? This is an example. So I would hope it'll go towards 680, but I don't think so. It's with all the geopolitical risk that's going on with the Iran stuff is going on. I don't think so. It's mostly going to be going down. What else? What else? Um, mm, let's see. Um, there's not much to say. Just gotta follow volume GEX. When you look at GEX, you have to look at this too. So I'll tell you how I usually run the market. Um, this is what I do. So when market opens, like you do four steps, right? You look at the jack, you look at the GEX, right? This like it tells you what's happening. Like tomorrow, 680, there's a king node. 662, there's a king node, right? So that should be your anchor. Price likely, the price will likely to visit either up here at some point or here at some point. Most likely it's gonna be down. Step three, you should always look at volume GEX. This is your volume GEX, where fresh money coming flowing in. And it's gonna update every day. It's gonna update tomorrow market open. You can see it'll tell you if it's gonna be put or calls. The more money, whichever side it is, that's where the move is gonna happen. Uh, Step four, you can also read um the quick tip right here. It'll tell you, it sums up, like I said, it sums up everything. It tell you what's going on. I think from all these like four steps, you'll have a direction of what's a key level, a sense of whether today is trending or not trending. Yeah, everything else, candle tape news, you have all. This is just like this gives you like a confidence to your trade. That's basically it. You'll see where everything is going. These are good to have, Vex and Dex, you know. But if you don't know, like I said, if you don't know what's going on here, you could look right here. So Vex volume rising, Dex dealer selling. Okay. Um, so Gex is not a crystal ball. It's the closest thing that retailers have, seeing what the market makers are doing. Uh, I mean, the heat map gives you the structure, while in GEX give you all the real-time pulse together. You're not blind, right? Luna Flow is live, real-time data. It scans 162 tickers, real-time. You could just put it whatever. I used to do Spy because I love Spy. If you love us and you want to learn more about us, come join. Website is luminaflow.app. We do our subscription through WAP, and as you can see, we're the only one in the market right now. Real time, 162 tickers, four modes. Actually, yeah. Um, we do alerts, all the above. Come check us out. It's 120 per month. Prices will likely to go up, but the old members will secure the old prices. Like I said, we're the only one that in the market right now. It's gonna be hot. We just started, so come check us out. Yeah, see you guys soon. And I'm always also, if you do join, we could always chat here. Right? Remember chat if you have any questions. Okay. All right. Log out and ask me for any questions.